3 feet here in Hamburg so far. Oh man. Look at this. Almost up to my waist. Very heavy snow continuing. 2 to 3 inches per hour, I would say. This is gonna be a fun walk. You guys ready? Whew. Cars are buried. Drift is going up the tree. This is crazy. Absolutely buried there. In terms of visibility, I would say about half a mile or so, and actually less than that, quarter of a mile. Whew. Fence is buried. Apologize for my breathing. These roads have not been plowed, so it's a tough walk. There's a 6-foot fence there. Whew. This is actually about 3 inches per hour, I'd say. Oh man. Some more buried cars. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's literally over 2 feet of snow. I mean, look at this, in the road. In the road. Look at that. What the heck? It's a good workout. Winds are gusting pretty high right now. 20. Just a big mountain of snow in the middle of the road. This is over 3, almost 4 inches per hour probably right now. You see the snow is halfway up these garages. Look at that, coming off the roof there. Just crazy. Some more buried cars. got a buried RV and a boat. Look at that. Just really goes to show you how much snow has fallen so far. The snow's picking up again. House that's getting buried. Lakes have definitely got a little bit more fluffier than the first part of the storm, where it was very, very wet. I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's just crazy. I'm gonna turn around here, go back. Come in this direction, out of the west-southwest, right out over the lake. Reports of some water spouts near the Buffalo Harbor. The record warm lake temps have really fueled this band. Not quite as high snowfall rates as the November 2014 event, but definitely topped out over 5 inches per hour overnight here. Really starting to come down again. Man. Snowfall rate has increased 3.5 inches per hour, I'd say, right about now. As you can see, the visibility has decreased. It's going between like 2 and 4 inches per hour on average. Picked up 21.5 inches in 6 hours overnight, which is just crazy. Hey! This is crazy! Whew. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's just so much snow on the road. It's hard to walk. I get tired. Whew. It's so beautiful though. Look at that. buried. Like the snow has picked up again. This is unreal. All right. See how much we end up with after all this.